Are you planning an outdoor wedding? Stay tuned for our tips on considering the weather. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode in our wedding planning series. Today we're going to look at considering the weather when planning an outdoor wedding. Maybe you've always wanted to walk down the aisle in an outdoor setting to say I do. You might have it all pictured in your mind. The perfect sunny day with a nice green lawn, rose petals, white chairs for your guests, and that cool summer breeze at your back. Perfect setting for the perfect wedding day. All from a year from today. Permits have been arranged, guest invitations are ready, and the ceremony furniture and all your decorations organised to be set up. But as much as you can wish and pray for perfect weather, sometimes things don't always go to plan. Other times, the weatherman can get it really wrong. Our advice is to be prepared for wet as well as hot weather. And make sure you have a plan as to when to make the final call, who will help you reset, and how to advise your guests if need be. For wet weather, a backup location or possibly a marquee would be helpful. We can help you with the logistics of getting this set up in time, as you'll need the manpower to relocate your furniture and decorations. We can also help in getting the message out to your guests, in case they need to drive to another location. Let's face it, are you really going to ask your bridal party to call each and every one of your guests as they're getting ready themselves? Or ask family and friends to move your setup whilst in their formal attire? That's where our team come in handy and will help to reduce any stress. We're on the ground, ready and watching the forecast. We communicate all movements with you for peace of mind. We notify suppliers and we can get the message out to your guests to let them know of any change of plans. For hot weather, some shade and cool drinks would help keep your guests really happy. If there are no trees in the area, a marquee or some large market umbrellas will provide shade for your guests. Our team again can help with guest fans and a hydration station with cool drinks and sunscreen if needed. So if you're planning an outdoor wedding, be sure to have a backup plan for wet weather. And if you're getting married in the warmer months, consider something to keep your guests cool and happy. If you would like any of our help with this, please contact us on the details below. Our team is ready and willing to help. Be sure to like this video and follow us for more updates on planning advice. Until next time, happy planning!